Good morning, Lowndes Middle School. My name is Miss Hires. I'm located in the 8th grade. I'm one of the assistant principals here at Lowndes Middle School. I know 6th grade's trying to figure everybody out. I've got a few announcements for you this morning. One, we want to talk about the lunchroom a bit. We do have Bluebell ice cream in the lunchroom as of now. It is phenomenal, and we have Twix, Snickers, and Starburst, $2 a piece, and everything else is $1. They do come and refill on Thursday mornings, so if you are purchasing Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and it seems like we're out a little bit, they will come back and refill on Thursday. Sales have been going great. 7th grade, I'll have to shout you out a little bit because y'all are really, really nailing those ice cream sales. Also in the lunchroom, as you are grabbing your lunch, please make sure that you have your lunch card. If you do not have your lunch card, please tell your homeroom teacher. The homeroom teacher then will get in touch with me and we will get you a card as soon as we can. The lunchroom card is due so that you're not using the pad to punch in, and so that with your mask on, sometimes it's hard to understand the numbers that you're telling the lunchroom ladies. So using that card, it just goes quicker. So if you need a lunch card, please get with your homeroom teacher. One more announcement about the lunchroom. As we've been observing the last week or two, we like to play a little bit too much, moving our milk back and forth, or taking someone's milk off their plate, or taking somebody's chips or water. We are in a pandemic at this point in time, so we are not to touch anybody's food, and we're not to grab anybody's food. You're to take your food from your plate and keep it with you, and keep your hands to yourself. Please do not touch everybody else's food. That's why we're sitting the way that we're sitting, and that's why we're doing what we're doing, to make sure that we are working hard to lower the numbers. Last, I want to talk about being kind. I see lots of kids right now, and they are kind of stressed. They don't really know their teacher. This is all new. We haven't been in school in 5 months. And so you're kind of getting scared to ask your teachers questions, or you're not understanding your math, and you're just kind of sitting there. So you just don't do your work at all. And you go home and you don't do your homework because you just don't understand. Well, coming to our office and saying, I just don't get it, that's not cutting it. Ask somebody around you. But here's the ticket. When you ask somebody around you and you've been mean to them the day before or the day before that, or you've talked bad about them, they're not going to want to help you. So be kind to people. Be nice to the person sitting around you, because guess what? You may need their help one day. I hope you have a great day today. Make sure teachers check for dress code and secure all cell phones. Please stand and say the Pledge of Allegiance, and followed by a moment of silence. Hope you have a great day.